Hey, happy Teachers' Day. Today, September 5th, 2020, I'm Neena Goel, the chairperson of Hamara Mission Dignity, standing here appreciating the most important building block of a successful human being. Yes, our teachers, who encourage mind to think, hands to create, and hearts to love. Teaching is one profession that creates all other professions. It was just yesterday when I was a student. Teachers' Day was more of a laid back day, a fun day. Looking forward to no real teachers in the class. Seniors will impersonate our teachers in their best looks. No study, just goofing all around. Today, I, the same goofy student, transformed by my teachers, who has made a mission education for all. Hamara Mission Dignity sincere salutes to all my teachers from kindergarten, middle school, high school, colleges, and institutes. It is really very hard to put words of appreciation for our teachers who affect eternity. No one can ever predict where their influence stops. It holds so true. Our teachers are like candles. It consumes to light the way of others. I would like to extend my special gratitude and appreciation from the bottom of my heart to Anuradha Pant ma'am, the principal, and all the teachers of GD Goenka Public School for their dedication and encouragement. Now, let's begin the program with few glimpses followed by what the teachers are thinking and sharing their experiences on this virtual celebration of Teachers' Day. We have few messages from our students also. Now let's see.
Greetings to one and all. Our energy flows where our intention goes. There is no better exercise for the heart, which lets you go down and lift someone up. Helping others is a way to help ourselves. After all, the purpose of human life is to serve others. You never know. You can make a difference to someone's life. Just reach them out and help them out. I, Manvi Arora, an educator at GD Goenka Public School, Sector 22, Rohini, would like to extend my heartiest wishes to Hamara Mission Dignity, serving the nation and the humanity with dignity. Thank you and gratitude to Hamara Mission Dignity. Your perspective is limited and is between the boundaries until you interact with people, and that transforms your mind completely. When teachers are motivated to teach and children are motivated to learn, a classroom becomes the most pleasant and the joyful place to learn. Every child is a treasure, and we owe to them for a pride and a dignified nation. They are the humans who are superior in terms of their perspectives, vision, and innocence. I'm thankful for all my lovely children for letting me see the world differently. Maybe in my head somewhere, upside down, sideways, contoured ways, I'm unable to see the possibilities. But I'm thankful for the little ones making it happen.
Hello and namaste everyone. I am Miss Ashima Munshi, a kindergarten teacher in GD Goenka Public School, Sector 22, Rohini, New Delhi. Hamara Mission Dignity NGO provides basic essentials for living to the poor and needy people. Their noble endeavor of providing wings to their dreams empowers them to channelize their energies in the right direction and overcome barriers they face every day. I wish them all the very best for their journey ahead. And all I want to say to my dear students out there, a smile is something that you give it away, and it comes right back to you. So keep smiling, keep learning and growing, and I promise you that you will be the proud future of your nation. Thank you.
Teaching is a noble profession that shapes the character, caliber and future of an individual. I, Miss Ashima Arora, I am a primary teacher at GD Goenka Public School, Sector 22, Rohini, and I have been into this profession from past 8 years. I wish good luck to Hamara Mission Dignity NGO for this initiative and for future endeavors. Starting each day by greeting the children and trying to welcome in a way that makes them excited throughout the day. Having these innocent souls around me from 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. makes my day very, very meaningful. Their sparkling eyes melts my heart and makes me forget all my worries. I feel immensely glad to be in this profession. Wish you a very, very happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning all. I'm Neeru Sharma, working as TGT Social Science in GD Goenka Public School, Rohini, Sector 22. I would like to appreciate the work of Hamara Mission Dignity NGO, who is working for the welfare of poor children and imparting education. Thanks for giving me opportunity to share my message on this Teachers' Day. My students are my strength and my pride. This message is for all my students. Like every brave soul, you too may not always succeed, but never cease your crusades to earn it. Like every beautiful star, you too may not dazzle eternal, but when you do, shine like you mean it. Like most wonder hearts, you too shall pump till peace, so live every moment like you mean it. But unlike others, no matter what happens tomorrow, always smile and smile like you mean it. This is for you all children. Stay blessed, stay at home. Good morning all. I'm Neeru Sharma, working as teacher.
Hello everyone, myself Miss Isha Sharma, a PRT working with GD Goenka Public School, Sector 22, Rohini. I would like to start by giving my heartfelt thanks and gratitude to Hamara Mission Dignity, an NGO working for the promotion of education, especially for the underprivileged and girl child education, for giving me an opportunity to express my views on the best occasion of Teachers' Day. I have written some poem which I would like to share with you on the beautiful bond shared between the teacher and the students. So here I go. Teachers' Day is on its way. Kids are soft as clay. We teach you and show you the way, give you blessings every day. You give us love, you give us smile. You are the reason we teach in life. You are the beginning, you are our start. You all are the pumping beats of our heart. You are our melody, you are our voice. Kids, you are the future, so make the best choice. As you are growing up, we are growing up with you. We cannot express our kiddos how much we love you. You listen to stories, you sing rhymes, you also make mistakes many times. We as teachers will always love you. You are all special because you are just you. Though we are teaching through online, we always pray that you are fine. I'm your teacher and you are mine. May you always rise and shine. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Teaching is an intensely personal interaction between teacher and student. Showing who you are and what you are about shows your completeness as a human being. I, Artistic Amarjit Khurana, working as a nursery teacher in GD Goenka Public School, Rohini, Delhi, gives my warm wishes to Hamara Mission Dignity, honored by World Book of Records on this auspicious occasion of Teachers' Day. When it comes to sharing personal experiences while teaching, sometimes teachers face a dilemma in determining how much of their lives to share with their students. Drawing upon a teacher's own life experiences can help students learn and understand. But most importantly, it can help build relationships in the classroom. I am in this profession of teaching for about 17 years. Every time, whenever I am going to teach a class as a part of this noble profession, I am learning also. I am trying consistently how to represent, interpret, summarize and rethink about the whole concept I wish to teach, or rather inspire my students in a specific period of time assigned to me. My teaching philosophy is as simple as 5. Teach like it is your last day today. One child, one teacher, one book, one pen can change the world. A very happy Teachers' Day to all of you.
Hello, bonjour, buenos dias. Good day, guten tag, konnichiwa. Ciao, shalom, dobre dien. Hello to all the children of the world. Hello to all the children of the world. Hello, hi, my name is Pallavi Basil and I'm a Western music teacher at GD Goenka Public School. I would like to thank Hamara Mission Dignity, which is working towards education, for giving me this opportunity to share my experience as a teacher with you all. So being a teacher is one of the most fulfilling jobs ever. It's not as easy as it appears, but it's a delight to work with children, especially the younger ones. It's amazing to know that you are responsible to shape and mold the minds of the next generation, and that you're responsible for how they turn up or how they grow up to be in future. So education is fundamental, but a great teacher can make a huge difference. So thank you guys and have a nice day.
Good morning. If you're planning for a year, sow rice. If you're planning for a decade, plant trees. And if you're planning for a lifetime, educate people. I'm Chami Kapoor, a pre-primary teacher of one of the esteemed organizations, GD Goenka Public School, Rohini. Give my heartfelt thanks to Hamara Mission Dignity for giving me an opportunity to share my experience as a teacher. Here is my self-composed poem. I don't teach, I learn. I lend my ears and hear their concern. Their talks are so innocent and so pure, from which any illness can be cured. My children are my pride. They make me smile. Through them I can cross any mile. I tie their laces when they are open. Fix their belongingness when they are broken. Their glittery crafts make a glass shine. Walk in a queue have become my favorite line. I feed them too when they lie there full. Narrate stories to pocket full. At times I foam and place it in another. Happiness is when they call me mother. I am a teacher. I took you're a kid. And from this profession, I never want to escape. Thank you.
Hello everyone, I am Namit Chadda. I am PGT Commerce in GD Goenka Public School, Sector 22, Rohini. I am really thankful to Hamara Mission Dignity. This institution is actually working to remove the root cause which is creating and which is making our society handicapped. It is working towards child trafficking, exploitation, the corruption, the importance of physical fitness, and I'm really grateful that I am now a part of Hamara Mission Dignity. Same goes with our profession, the teaching profession. We are here to shape the overall personality of a child, not just academically, but to face this competitive world and be a good citizen of our country, so that such things can be taken off and be our country number one in each and every area. Thank you once again, Hamara Mission Dignity. We are with you to make this place a beautiful place. Thank you.
Greetings to one and all. Myself, Ms. Varsha Kukreja, TGT in Mathematics at GD Goenka Public School, Sector 22, Rohini. My heartiest wishes to Hamara Mission Dignity NGO for working in education and providing the underprivileged an opportunity to live a meaningful life. My gratitude to Hamara Mission Dignity for providing me and hundreds other teachers in India a platform to share our experiences as an educator or philanthropist. Teaching is the profession that gives birth to all the other professions. A teacher is a perfect example of a candle that consumes itself in order to light way for others. I believe that a teacher is first a learner, and interestingly, our students are the ones we often learn from. We all work to earn our living, but more than that, a teacher works for the love of her students. And as I say this, I can recall my first Teachers' Day celebration at GD Goenka Public School that was made even more special by my dearest loving student. You know, my first teacher, my mother, who is herself a Master's of Philosophy in Mathematics, shares the same birthday as Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. Math and teaching probably is in our genes. Anyway, on this 58th Teachers' Day celebration in India, I extend my warm regards to all the teachers around the globe by enchanting the slok. Gurur Brahma, Gurur Vishnu, Gurur Devo Maheshwara, Gurur Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurve Namaha. Thank you.
Greetings everyone. I am Dipali from GD Goenka Public School and I teach political science to classes 11th and 12th. Being told that you are appreciated is one of the most motivating acts which can make mountains move and achieve the best in you. Thankful to Almighty for whatever I have achieved, my sincere gratitude goes to Hamara Mission Dignity, an NGO honored by World Book of Records, London. I really appreciate their gesture of uplifting the society in the present situations. I take immense pride in celebrating the success of my students. Goal setting, accepting failures and mistakes, continuity in handling the challenges, time to time support and guidance, channelizing their energy into mine and my energy into them. And yes, accepting the negatives with a smile can definitely create an unbreakable bond in between a student and her educator, which is a major parameter to success. I am thankful to my institute for creating the best environment for a teacher and a student. Well expressed by Robert Kiyosaki, success takes an investment in time, dedication and sacrifice. This is the true education and it is a process. I am always blessed to have one of the best students with me and that makes me one of the best teachers. I again appreciate the gesture of Hamara Mission Dignity. Thank you.
Happy Teachers' Day to the most respected Principal Ma'am, Ved Prakash Sir, and to all my teachers. I, Paras Goyal, the ex-student of your school. Due to this lockdown, we all are far away from each other to celebrate this Teachers' Day. But the show must go on at any cost. and we all are connected virtually through the platform of Hamara Mission Dignity. I can't express how happy I am to see my teachers sharing their lovely messages. Today, I am missing my school. Wish I would be there, but this shall too pass and shall overcome soon. Thank you and happy Teachers Day once again.
Good afternoon all of you. Myself Arab Jain, studying in class 6th. Today I will share my views that what do I miss the most in the school. Firstly, I miss those days when I used to play ice and water, chocolates and many more games with my friends in the school field. We used to make a group and run fast to the cafeteria to come first in the line and get that mouth-watering food. We used to play odd eve during breaks, and I love to eat others' food hiding from teachers. And I also miss my teachers a lot because the way they make us study was very unique. They do activities with us, they play games with us, and they also took us to the field to play with us. And I also miss my morning assembly because we have to stand straight in the queue and under the scintillating sun. Happy Teachers Day to respected Principal Ma'am, Ved Sir and my all teachers. And special thanks to Miss Neena Ma'am for sharing my views with everyone. And she is running a NGO, Hamara Mission Dignity. Thank you.
The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of the dream. Good afternoon everyone. I am Aram Jain of GD Goenka Public School. Today, as you know, in this pandemic, we are missing our school a lot. I am also missing my school a lot. I am missing the school days like the days of fighting, the days of playing and the days of studying. In that days, we usually think that we should have many holidays. Now, we have holidays, but we are missing our school a lot. I am missing my friends and their food. I am missing the water cooler in which we quench our thirst. I am missing that corridor where we usually roam. I am missing the assemblies and competition in which we cheerfully participate. Happy Teachers Day to respected Principal Madam, Ved Sir and my all teachers. I want to thank to Miss Neena Ma'am for taking my views and sharing to everyone. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. Today I, Agam Jain of GD Goenka Public School is going to tell you about missing my school days. I miss my school days where the teacher taught us the respect, the knowledge of life. I miss my school days where we made every fun memorable, where we go to the field in every break time, where we play the game of love which we never gonna forget it. I miss my school days where we promised to become friends forever. I miss my school days where teachers scold us on every of our mistakes, where she teach us like a teacher but love us like a mother. I miss my school days. I would miss my school days and I will miss my school days. So I would give the special thanks to Miss Neena Ma'am and Happy Teachers Day to all the teachers.
Hello dear students, I am Divya Gogia from GD Goenka Sector 22 Rohini. Here is what I want all of you to know, my dear students, when we are not together. You matter and we miss you. I hope you all are safe and healthy. We teachers miss each and every one of you. You bring us more joy and happiness than any one of you can imagine. And I hope we are together again soon. Stay safe. The whole purpose of this quarantine time is to keep as many people healthy and safe as possible. School is important, but so is your health. Take care of yourself and each other. And no matter what happens this year, be proud of yourself, your resilience, and your ability to adapt to extreme circumstances. I am proud of each one of you. Be kind to your family. We know being home is tough on everyone. So now is the time to dig deep and be kind. Be kind to your siblings. set the table and do the dishes. Investigate your own interests. Being home means school time is a lot shorter. I want you to take out time to figure out what you love and find out more about it. Explore your areas of interest. We all will be here when you get back. We are here for you all. We are far yet approachable. This too shall pass, and we will pick up right where we left off. Don't you forget, we are an extended family. Bye-bye. God bless you all.
वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थ प्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ. नमस्कारः. अहं डॉक्टर साक्षी मित्तल जीडी गोयंका पब्लिक विद्यालये संस्कृत शिक्षिका रूपेण कार्यरता अस्मि. मैं हमारा मिशन डिग्निटी का तहे दिल से धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करती हूँ कि उन्होंने आज मुझे मेरे अनुभव को आप सबके साथ साझा करने का अवसर प्रदान किया. इसके साथ ही शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में उन सभी के द्वारा किए गए कार्यों की मैं सराहना करती हूँ. मैं एक पथ प्रदर्शिका. मेरा कार्य सही राह दिखाना, मेरे नन्हे मुन्ने बच्चों में आत्मविश्वास जगाना. गर आ जाए कभी ऊंचे नीचे टेढ़े मेढ़े ऊबड़ खाबड़ रास्ते तो कभी ना घबराना. आज मैं ईश्वर का धन्यवाद ज्ञापित करती हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे एक पथ प्रदर्शिका का कार्य सौंपा और मैं अपने सभी विद्यार्थियों को, अपने सभी छात्रों को बहुत स्नेह करती हूँ और उनके लिए कामना करती हूँ कि वे जीवन में हमेशा उन्नति के पथ पर अग्रसर हों. धन्यवाद.
बस.
Good morning to one and all. Today, I, Sukriti Jain, an English teacher of GD Goenka Public School, Sector 22, Rohini, I want to give my best wishes to Hamara Mission NGO for giving me this opportunity to express my views and my opinions. Teaching to me is never just a profession. It's a place where my minds have wings, where I learn to fly, where I belong, where I learn every day. Teaching does not end at imparting education. On the contrary, I would love to say that teaching starts with imparting education and ends at the holistic development of not just the learners, but we, educators ourselves. I am always proud to be a teacher because that is how I learn from my students. We as adults always forget to cherish and embrace the small happiness, the beautiful moments in our life. But learners, my kids, they never forget to do that. On the contrary, they teach you how to embrace these lovely moments and find happiness in them. Before bidding a goodbye, I would like to thank all my learners and my kids for not just making me a better teacher, but for making me a better person. I'm always thankful to them. Thank you so much.
मैं प्राची जैन पीआरटी हिंदी के पद पर कार्यरत जीडी गोएंका पब्लिक स्कूल सेक्टर 22 में हिंदी का अध्यापन करती हूँ. आज शिक्षक दिवस के मौके पर मैं सबसे पहले अपने विद्यालय और हमारा मिशन डिग्निटी एनजीओ का तहे दिल से शुक्रिया अदा करती हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे ये आधार दिया अपनी बात आप सब तक पहुँचाने का, आप सब तक यह बात पहुँचाने का कि शिक्षा हमारे जीवन में सबसे महत्वपूर्ण चीज है और इस चीज को, इस डायमंड को में पाना है. तो आज मैं आपसे एक बात ये कहना चाहती हूँ, उन छात्रों को ये बात कहना चाहती हूँ कि जो छात्र अपने आप को अंक आने पर सबसे ज्यादा निराश पाते हैं, ऐसा उन्हें नहीं सोचना चाहिए. उनके अंदर कुछ ना कुछ ऐसी क्वालिटी है जिसको वो देख नहीं पा रहे हैं. उसे पहचानना आपका ही काम है. वो हीरा आप ही तराशेंगे और उस हीरे को तराशने के लिए आपको बहुत संघर्ष करना पड़ेगा. इसलिए इन संघर्षों से हमें डरना नहीं है और हमें इस पथ पर आगे चलना है. मेरा एक यही संदेश है कि हम चाहे किसी भी संस्था में काम कर रहे हों, लेकिन हमें अपने बच्चों को केवल यही सिखाना है कि हमेशा संघर्षों को पार करते हुए आगे चलते जाना है. आज एक कविता मैं अपने शिक्षक गणों और अपने बच्चों के लिए आप सबके सामने प्रस्तुत करने चाहती हूँ. कुछ लाइनें. अंधकार में लौसी मुझ में जलकर आज भी कायम हूँ, मेरे गुरु मेरे साथी आप ही मेरे सहाय। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, myself Ms. Shilpa Chawla. I'm working as a pre-primary teacher at GD Goenka Public School, Rohini. It is rightly said that education is the most powerful weapon that can change the world. I extend my best wishes to Hamara Mission Dignity, an organization which is working for a noble cause, that is educating and enlightening our nation. So I request everyone who is watching this video to take a pledge that each one will teach one, so that we can make a positive difference into the lives of the people around us. I will summarize by sharing a quote by Malala Yousafzai: "One child, one teacher, one pen and one book can change the world. Together we can and we will. So let's make a difference."
Hello everyone, I'm Soumya, working as a TGT English at GD Goenka Public School, Sector 22, Rohini. I would honestly like to thank Hamara Mission Dignity NGO for giving me such an incredible opportunity to express my views. Jawaharlal Nehru rightly said, and I quote, "The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them up will determine the future of the country." As a teacher, I want to create a rainbow world where education is not only for the privileged, but also for the downtrodden sections of the society. Teaching is not about a contract, it's about a belief. Our nation's future is ignited with the spark of education, and we must not let the light flicker by denying anyone the basic right to education. It's not about your kids or my kids, it's about our kids. It's not about waking up in the morning and saying we are going to teach. It's about waking up and saying we are going to change the course of a life. It's about saying we are going to change the course of a city, a state, a country, and a nation. It's about waking up and saying we are going to make a difference. Thank you.
नमस्कार, मैं हनी यादव जीडी गोइंका पब्लिक स्कूल रोहिणी सेक्टर 22 में टीजीटी हिंदी के पद पर कार्यरत हूँ। सर्वप्रथम मैं हृदय से आभार व्यक्त करना चाहती हूँ हमारा मिशन डिग्निटी संस्था का, जो एक निष्ठ भाव से देश की सेवा के लिए कार्यरत है। इसी अवसर पर मैं आज अपनी एक स्वरचित कविता प्रस्तुत करना चाहती हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है मैं शिक्षक। मैं शिक्षक स्वयं को सौभाग्यशाली मानती हूँ। अपनी कक्षा में हर रोज मैं इस देश की नींव के पत्थर को तराशती हूँ। अपनी कक्षा रूपी प्रयोगशाला में न जाने कितने ही प्रयोग में एक साथ कर डालती हूँ, इसी उम्मीद से कि अब होगा मेरे भी हाथों इस देश का नव निर्माण, खड़ा होगा मेरा देश विकसित देशों की श्रेणी में बनकर भारत महान। इसी स्वप्न को साकार करने के लिए मैं वैल्यू एजुकेशन नहीं, वैल्यू ऑफ एजुकेशन पढ़ाती हूँ। स्वच्छता पर निबंध नहीं रटवाती, क्लीनलीनेस ड्राइव का आयोजन मैं करवाती हूँ। सिंड्रेला की सुंदरता नहीं, मदर टेरेसा के चरित्र का गुणगान मैं गाती हूँ। यही आशा है कि अब मेरे जीवन में भी वह दिन आएगा जब मेरा विद्यार्थी इंजीनियर, डॉक्टर बनने के साथ साथ अच्छा इंसान बन जाएगा। देश की सेवा में वह अपना जीवन बिताएगा। देश की सेवा में वह अपना जीवन बिताएगा। धन्यवाद।
A little progress each day adds up to big result. Hello everyone, I am Priyanka Bassi, teaching in GD Goenka Public School for last 12 years. I want to thank and give my best wishes to Hamara Mission Dignity, which is working for education, hunger and environment. And I am grateful to them to giving me this opportunity to share my feelings for my students. We love our students like our own children, and this separation is painful. That I am thinking and missing them every day. Nearly every teacher used the word love in their response. We teachers can feel the love of our students, but that's hard for other person to imagine. We make families each year and we love them fiercely. I hope you all are healthy and safe. Take care of yourself and each other. Be proud of yourself, your resilience and ability to adapt to extreme circumstances. I am proud of each and every one of you. I hope we will meet soon.
Hello everyone, myself Japinder Kaur, a PGT English teacher at GD Goenka Public School, Sector 22, Rohini. First of all, I wish to divulge my best wishes for Hamara Mission Dignity, an NGO working towards supporting education and all-round welfare of people, thus molding a beautiful, independent and healthy tomorrow. I'm also thankful to HMD for giving me this platform where I can share my experience as a teacher. I've heard many people saying that we love being a teacher, we love teaching just because a teacher is the one who molds, mentors, supports and inspires. But my reason is different. I love being a teacher as I get the chance to discover and share some of the best parts of myself as a human being. The longer I have spent as a teacher, the stronger has become my belief that life is the greatest of all the teachers. And this is actually, I am in a learning phase. Every day is a new opportunity to learn, and when it is with the budding aspirations and talents which thrive in every classroom of GD Goenka Public School, the learning is fun for sure. And finally, last but not the least, I would like to thank my guru, our mentor, our guiding light, our principal ma'am, Miss Anuradha Pant. Thank you ma'am for having faith in us.
नमस्कार। सर्वप्रथम हमारा मिशन डिग्निटी एनजीओ को हार्दिक धन्यवाद कि आज उनके माध्यम से हमें अपने विचार आप तक पहुंचाने का अवसर मिला है। आपके एनजीओ द्वारा शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में किए जा रहे सभी प्रयास सराहनीय हैं। मैं डॉक्टर रेखा अरोड़ा जीडी गोयनका पब्लिक स्कूल सेक्टर 22 रोहिणी में टीजीटी हिंदी अध्यापिका के रूप में कार्यरत हूँ। मैं शिक्षक दिवस पर अपने विचार उन बच्चों तक पहुँचाना चाहूँगी जो परिस्थिति से हार कर निराश हो जाते हैं। प्यारे बच्चों, आप ही भारतवर्ष का भविष्य हो। आपके नाम मेरा यह संदेश है, चाहे आसमां का सूरज बुझ जाए पर मन का सूरज न बुझने देना। पथरीले रास्तों से कदम थक जाएं पर बढ़ते कदमों को रुकने ना देना। भविष्य का खाका वर्तमान में ही खींच लो, अपने भूतकाल से भी थोड़ा सा सीख लो। सफलता पाने का यह मंत्र कुछ अनोखा है, चलते हुए गिर जाओ तो उठो फिर चलो। एक बार अपने अंदर की भी सुनो, एक एक करके अपनी खूबियों को चुनो। आशाओं के धागे को जोड़ जोड़ कर जीवन में सफलता की धरोहर बुनो। अपनी मेहनत और ईमानदारी की बदौलत सच्चाई को झूठ के सामने झुकने ना देना। चाहे आसमां का सूरज बुझ जाए पर मन का सूरज ना बुझने देना। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, my name is Ravneet Kaur and I teach French at GD Goenka Public School, Sector 22 Rohini. I would like to extend my warm wishes and express my gratitude to Hamara Mission Dignity for providing me this platform to express myself as a proud teacher. Being a teacher, I believe in maintaining relationships with students. I firmly believe that relationships are an essential part of any learning process. I strongly advocate relational intentionality. Relational intentionality involves maintaining your authority with students while building relationships with them. It involves intentional actions as if they are a part of your instructional plan. It means you make sure you know your students' names. You use please and thank you with all times regardless of their responses. You know their successes, you find out their successes to balance out their failures. I would like to share a poem on behalf of the entire teaching fraternity. I'm not a soldier, but I go to war every day and hold the most powerful weapon in the world. My army consists of naive and untrained minds, to whom I offer my battle scars, the gift of knowledge. I train my men not with guns and bombs, but with books which are just as explosive. I'm not a doctor, but I treat their wounds not with bandages and antiseptic, but with words which are just as therapeutic. I have won many battles in my life. I've healed many people. I am a teacher and I'm proud to be one. Thank you.
Hi, I am Devangi Grover, TGT Science at GD Goenka Public School, Sector 22, Rohini. I wish all the very best to Hamara Mission Dignity NGO for their huge venture on working on education. I would also like to thank them for giving me this opportunity to share my experience as a teacher on this occasion of Teachers' Day. When I first joined school, I was very curious and excited to interact as well as impart knowledge and wisdom to all these young minds, all these great students. But at the same time, I was quite nervous also. And yes, it took me some time to figure out and make that bond with the students. But now I am really happy that I am a teacher and I am able to interact so many students on a daily basis. I also understand that these are very hard times for all the students and parents out there. But I would like to say that we are all in this together. We all will work hard together till we come out of this victoriously, and as they say, this too shall pass. A very happy Teachers' Day to all of you.
Hello, my name is Ms. Shilpa Madan and I work as a PRT Mathematics at GD Goenka Public School, Sector 22, Rohini. First of all, I would like to give my best wishes to Hamara Mission Dignity NGO for working so hard in the field of education, helping elderly people, striking hunger, other charitable institutions too, and so on. I would also like to thank them for giving this opportunity to share my experience as a teacher. Being a teacher, we don't only enrich children's lives through core educational skills, but we also develop that sense of responsibility, analytical skills, and building self-confidence in them. I feel proud when I see my children succeed. Not only we teach them, but we also learn from them a lot. They are a true source of inspiration for all of us. Children, they bring us new ideas, information, and new perspectives of life. At the end, I would just like to conclude by saying a few lines for my children. The laughs and smiles that we shared each day around our room, it's just not quite the same not being here. Me and you, the boards are blank, no backpacks hang, it's got me feeling blue. All I know is I sure miss those happy times we spent at school. Thank you. Miss you, children.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Neha Satija and I teach in GD Goenka Public School, Sector 22. I am designated as TGT French teacher. I would like to thank Hamara Mission Dignity organization for the wonderful work that they are doing for the society by helping the street children, elderly people, physically handicapped people, etc. I will be honored if I will be the part of such an esteemed organization. Dr. Radhakrishnan, who was the former President of India, was once requested by his friends and family to celebrate his birthday. And he replied that he will be honored if we celebrate his birthday as Teachers' Day. That's why 5th September is observed as Teachers' Day. Now I am reciting a short poem on teachers. Teachers are dedicated to our education. This is their passion and our liberation. Their sincere kindness, warm feelings it brings. They guide and protect us under their wings. They don't just instruct, but encourage and believe that there is nothing out there we cannot achieve. They think about our future all the time, work tirelessly to direct us away from conflicts and crime. At the end of the day, I would like to thank all the teachers for their wonderful job. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. I am Shalini Singh,
and I am a primary teacher with GD Goenka Public School, Rohini, Sector 22. Firstly, I would like to forward my good wishes towards Hamara Mission Dignity for their tireless effort towards the field of education and giving me this opportunity to share my experience as an educator. As someone said, leading a child to learning's treasures gives a teacher untold pleasures, and I am extremely lucky to experience those pleasures every day. It's so overwhelming and enriching to see that excitement and enthusiasm in your students when you enter your class with a new surprise every day. Here, I would like to express my feelings towards my student as a teacher through this song. आज चल के तुझे मैं लेके चलूं एक ऐसे गगन के तले जहाँ गम भी न हो आंसू भी न हो बस प्यार ही प्यार पले एक ऐसे गगन के तले. And I am proud to be a teacher. Thank you.
मैं पूजा भल्ला जीडी गोयनका पब्लिक स्कूल सेक्टर 22 में टीजीटी हिंदी के पद पर कार्य कर रही हूँ. सबसे पहले मैं हमारा मिशन डिग्निटी को शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में उनके कार्यों के लिए हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं देती हूँ और उनका धन्यवाद करती हूँ कि उन्होंने मुझे आज अध्यापक दिवस पर अपने विचार प्रकट करने का अवसर प्रदान किया. मेरे अनुसार एक सच्चा शिक्षक वही है जो अपने छात्रों में सृजनात्मक भाव और ज्ञान का आनंद जगा दे. एक शिक्षक केवल किताबी ज्ञान देता है, एक उसका विस्तार समझाता है और एक विद्यार्थी को सही रास्ता दिखाकर उस पर चलने के लिए प्रेरित करता है, जिससे एक विद्यार्थी अपना स्वतंत्र व्यक्तित्व बना सके. और मेरे अनुसार इस अंतिम गुण वाला शिक्षक सदैव एक विद्यार्थी के भीतर प्रेरणा के रूप में रहता है, जो हर परिस्थिति में उसे प्रोत्साहित करता है. एक अध्यापक को सही अर्थों में खुशी तभी महसूस होती है जब उसका शिष्य ऊंचाइयों को छूता है और एक अच्छा इंसान बनता है. मैं यही कहना चाहूँगी, न प्रशंसा के शब्दों की है उसको चाहत, न महंगे उपहारों की है उसके लिए कोई कीमत. उसे मिलती है तभी आत्मीय शांति जब फैलती है विश्व में उसके शिष्य की कांति. आप सभी को अध्यापक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं.
Hello everyone, I am Gurvinder Kaur teaching at GD Goenka Public School, Sector 22 Rohini as a PRT. First of all, I would like to extend my gratitude to Hamara Mission Dignity NGO for their tireless efforts in providing education to the children of economically weaker section and giving me a chance to express myself as an educator. I would like to speak few lines for these young ones to express my love for them. Although I'm not their parent, I care for them each day. I sing and read for them and watch them learn and grow. They proudly show their work to me and I give them loudest cheer. I know one day will come when we'll have to apart, but still each one of them will be forever in my heart. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day to all.
Hi everyone. Can you imagine nurturing these plants from a far off place? No, rather nobody can. But we teachers have made it possible. Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Priyanka Raheja, PGT Economics with GD Goenka Public School, Sector 22 Rohini. And I'm proud to say that we teachers have been able to nurture our students, our plants from far off places even during this pandemic. We have made an impossible task possible, though we are not meeting with our students, but yet we are able to deliver the content, the curriculum and values to them through the online mode successfully. This all has been made possible not because of our own efforts, but also because of the love and support shown by students. For me, teaching is like gardening, and for me, my classroom is my garden. I don't consider teaching as a linear or a technical process, but I rather considered it as an organic process which is not not only about imparting knowledge, but also nurturing my students. And I'm very happy to know that we all teachers have come together in this tough time to nurture our plants. And I know one day they all are going to bloom like these flowers, and they are going to suppress all the difficulties, all the hurdles. Thank you. Keep supporting. Have a good day.
Good morning. I am Harinderjeet Kaur, working as PGT Chemistry from last 10 years in esteemed educational institution GD Goenka Public School. Great teachers never try to be the best teachers. They simply try to bring best in their students. So I take privilege in wishing all the mentors in the school across the country a very happy Teachers' Day. Teaching is a wonderful profession. Rather, it is a wonderful experience that we get from our learners on daily basis. So I won't be sharing any specific experience of mine with the student. My teaching methodology is beneficial and good for both the kinds of learner. It enriches the strength of the good ones and it upgrades the strength of the weak ones. This I can say when I see students shows its love and respect for the subject. For all these years, I come across many instances where students, they want to opt for commerce in class 11th, but still they want to pursue chemistry as their one of the subject. I am thankful that this thought is being included in upcoming national educational policy. So this is a wonderful feeling when students are the regular visitors in the chemistry lab just for the passion of the subject. So if you teach passionately, definitely you can have number of such experiences. So once again, I wish all teachers fraternity a very happy Teachers' Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Rajshri Thakur, a school teacher of GD Goenka. Give my best wishes to Hamara Mission Dignity NGO working on education, and would like to thank you for giving me this opportunity to share my experience of online teaching. During these unprecedented times, students have shown a great determination and strength to be able to do the work with all their strengths. Online teaching has taught us that teaching is actually a way of life. It's not just a profession. If we ignore all the nitty and gritty, online teaching was full of fun. The sweet gestures of children, virtual celebrations of birthdays, technical glitches, ma'am, you're not audible, all these things will leave an impact which will never be forgotten in the entire journey of teaching. I take this privilege to wish all the teachers, students, mentors, principals and Hamara Mission Dignity NGO a very happy Teachers' Day, and would like to send a big virtual hug to all the lovely students on behalf of all the gurus. Stay home, stay safe. God bless you children.
Namaste. Myself Charu Malik, working as TGT Science in GD Goenka Public School, Sector 22, Rohini, Delhi. First of all, I would like to thank Hamara Mission Dignity to give me such an opportunity to share my experiences with so many other people at such a platform. I am in this teaching line from past 20 years and I love my profession. I love teaching as this profession has given me tremendous chances to share my knowledge and experiences with others. Every single day, I get the opportunity to make a difference in someone's life, which goes far beyond knowledge. I not only inspire, support, and mentor, I actually get the chance to discover and share some of the best parts of myself as human being with my students. Thank you so much.
Hi, good morning. My name is Sanju Chopra. I'm working as PRT Science in GD Goenka Public School, Sector 22, Rohini. I would like to give my good wishes to Hamara Mission Dignity NGO for working for students in various aspects and fields. Also, I would like to give a small message to the students. Positive thinking and hard work are the key to success, which are going to help you in these tough times. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Hope all of you are keeping safe and doing well in these tough times of COVID-19. A brief introduction about myself. I'm Preeti Mittal and I'm working as PGT Biology in GD Goenka Public School, Sector 22, Rohini. I admire the contribution of Hamara Dignity Mission to the field of education, social issues and environment sector. I also extend my heartfelt thanks to Hamara Dignity Mission to provide me an opportunity to share my experience as a teacher. Well, teaching is my passion. I love teaching, not because I am imparting knowledge or doing some noble cause. Rather, it's other way. Teaching provides me myself to become learner. My students, they allow me to learn so many soft skills and hard skills in this course of teaching and learning process. Every time they inspire me to probe deep into the concepts of my subject. And the best part of this profession is, since we spend a lot of time in these young, enthusiastic children, we always remain young at our heart. Thank you once again to Hamara Dignity Mission.
नमस्कार, मैं सोनिया गुलाटी जीडी गोइंका पब्लिक विद्यालय दिल्ली की रोहिणी सेक्टर 22 शाखा में हिंदी विषय की अध्यापिका हूँ और मैं अध्यापन के क्षेत्र में पिछले कई सालों से कार्यरत हूँ। एक अध्यापिका के रूप में हमें हर दिन नए अनुभव प्राप्त होते हैं, परंतु कुछ अनुभव ऐसे हैं जो चिरस्थायी हो जाते हैं, आपके दिमाग पर एक छाप छोड़ जाते हैं। ऐसा ही एक अनुभव मैं आज आपके साथ साझा करूँगी और ये अनुभव है एक ऐसे छात्र से जुड़ा हुआ जिसमें मुझे थोड़ी आत्मविश्वास की कमी दिखाई देती थी। जब मुझे उसकी कक्षा की अध्यापिका बनाया गया तो मुझे लगा कि बच्चे में थोड़ी आत्मविश्वास की कमी है और जब पीटीएम पर उसके माता पिता से मेरा मिलना हुआ तो माता पिता की भी चिंता का यही विषय था कि बच्चे में आत्मविश्वास की कमी है, अपनी बात को अच्छे से नहीं रख पाता। एक अध्यापिका के रूप में मुझे कार्य बहुत चुनौती भरा लगा और मैंने इस बारे में सोचना शुरू किया कि किस तरह इस बच्चे का आत्मविश्वास बढ़ाया जाए। तो धीरे धीरे मैंने उस बच्चे को कुछ कक्षा से जुड़ी हुई जिम्मेदारियां देना शुरू किया और जब बच्चे को पहली बार जिम्मेदारी से भरा कार्य मिला, बच्चे ने उस कार्य को बहुत अच्छे से निभाया और कक्षा के बाकी छात्रों को भी मैंने ये समझाया कि सहयोग का क्या महत्व है, किस तरह हमें आपस में मिलकर रहना चाहिए। तो बच्चे ने अपनी जिम्मेदारियों को बहुत अच्छे से पूरा किया, जिससे उसे सबकी सराहना मिली और उसने अपनी बात को अच्छे से रखना शुरू किया।
Hi, I am Tanu Agarwal, French faculty at GD Goenka Public School, Sector 22, Rohini. On the auspicious event of Teachers' Day, I would like to thank our school and Hamara Mission NGO to allow me to share my thoughts and experiences with you all. A teacher plays an important role in nurturing a student. I would like to tell all the students that they must believe in themselves and must not get disheartened in case of small failures. They must keep learning and growing with experience. It's not how much you know, but what to do with your knowledge. You all are more than a test or score. You must have faith in yourself, and then everything is achievable. You don't have to be perfect. You have to be wise enough to be successful and inspire others with your achievements. Every child is special in their own way and must never stop in the beautiful journey of learning. That's all. And in the last, I would like to say, a teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. Thank you. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.
Hello everyone. Myself Anup Krishna, and
I work as TGT Mathematics at GD Goenka Public School, Rohini. Happy Teachers Day to all of you. This relationship between a teacher and a student is something like a balance. It should always be maintained, or else the relation breaks. The teachers should always be dedicated towards the betterment of the students, and the students, on the other hand, bring glory to the teachers. This is what the relation continues with. Love, care, and sacrifice. These terms are always associated with a teacher, a successful teacher. Behind every successful teacher, there are many numbers of students who follow the path shown by the teacher. Basically, I would suggest all the students, I would say all the students to be obedient and very faithful towards their masters, whosoever they are, their parents, teachers, or anyone from where they learn something. We as teachers are also a learner, and we learn from students and students learn from us. A very happy Teachers Day to all the teachers. Thank you.
मेरा नाम रजनी है और मैं हिंदी विषय पढ़ाती हूँ। मेरा मानना है कि एक अध्यापक का कर्तव्य है कि वह शिक्षण के अतिरिक्त विद्यार्थियों के सर्वांगीण विकास पर भी ध्यान दे। हम सभी जानते हैं कि प्रत्येक विद्यार्थी का शैक्षणिक स्तर समान नहीं होता। इसके अतिरिक्त अन्य कई भी ऐसे कारण हैं जो उन्हें एक दूसरे से भिन्न बनाते हैं। ऐसे में कुछ विद्यार्थी हीन भावना का शिकार हो जाते हैं। यह हीन भावना उनके व्यक्तित्व का समुचित विकास नहीं होने देती। यहीं पर एक शिक्षक की भूमिका महत्वपूर्ण हो जाती है कि वह अपने विषय के अतिरिक्त भी उस विद्यार्थी पर ध्यान दे, उसे समझे और उसका उचित मार्गदर्शन करे। मुझे इस बात की प्रसन्नता है कि जीडी गोयनका में विद्यार्थियों के सर्वांगीण विकास पर पूरा बल दिया जाता है। धन्यवाद।
Hello everyone, I'm Akanksha Priya, teaching social science in GD Goenka Public School, Sector 22, Rohini. I've been a teacher for around past 9 to 10 years, and I've had a wonderful time being a teacher. I love my profession. The students show you so much love. They give a lot of respect, and it has been a wonderful experience teaching young children from a very small age, watching them grow over the years in the school, seeing the changes in them, and then being acknowledged as a guide in their life, as someone whom they could trust upon, and being their mentor, being supportive, giving them advice every time, teaching them, giving them knowledge, sharing ideas with them, getting to know much from them. So it's not that we just learn from books or from other sources. We learn from each other as well. And being a teacher, I'm proud to say that most of the times I have learned a lot from my children. So I'm their teacher, and at times they have been my teacher. So this teaching learning journey has been wonderful. I hope it continues in the same way. I wish all dear children good luck for their future and their lives. I hope they have a very happy, secured, and fun-filled life ahead. Thank you so much.
गुरुर् ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु गुरुदेवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। नमो नमः। मेरा नाम रुचि रानी है। मैं टीजीटी संस्कृत अध्यापिका के पद पर कार्यरत हूँ। आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक शुभकामनाएं। कहते हैं कि गुरु के बिना ज्ञान नहीं होता। सच ही कहा है कि गुरु के बिना ज्ञान नहीं होता। हमारे जीवन में सबसे पहली गुरु हमारी माँ होती है। वैसे तो जिंदगी के हर कदम पर हमें जो भी घटना होती है हमें कुछ ना कुछ सिखा जाती है। वही घटना हमारे लिए गुरु बन जाती है। यहाँ तक कि एक छोटा बच्चा भी हमें जब कुछ सिखाता है तो हमारा